Okay, here we have a situation where it's a mineral stained oak. So this is what I envision might have happened. During the growth of the tree was stressed, causing these minor stress fractures. And then over the years, the minerals stayed in those areas, giving these cool lines. Now, it looks great, but the problem is the minerals, it's never as strong as what it originally was. This is what I envision happened. So here in a case, we have a bunch of mineral area here, and some of it, when I was drilling, flaked up. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sand this off and make it look good. It's still going to be like a divot there, but the eye is going to see all these cool veins, especially when I put oil on it. Plus there's it's going to be a screw head there. I'm not going to fill them. I suppose I could glue this down, and trying to do that, but in this case, I'm not going to. I think it'll be okay if I just take this off and then do some sanding here, and maybe there's a little divot there, but it's still gonna look great. So I knew when I was working with this board, I could feel that these were not as tight. In some cases, not all the cases, but I suspected that's if the board was to crack, like if you wanted to split this, you hit it right there, it'll split right down through. But it's still strong, and for what we're doing, it's gonna be very strong, and it's gonna look great. Yeah, I can feel this one right here. I can feel that that's raised, because that's all mineral stain underneath that whole thing coming up. Because you got it on this side, you got it on that side, and it's getting closer and closer. So right in here, it's kind of weak. If I was to drill that, probably the same thing would happen. I don't need to, but and I did decide I am going to oil these things, so it's going to add a little bit more integrity, and it's going to just make that grain pop out more. Okay, so that's the thing about working with mineral stained, in this case, red oak.